Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable trusted contacts on the Viber app. This feature adds an extra layer of security to your account, helping you manage your contacts safely and protect your private conversations from unauthorized access. Let's get started. First, open the Viber app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the More option. Then, from the menu, tap on Settings to access your app's configuration options. After that, tap on Privacy to access your privacy controls. Finally, turn on Trusted Contacts by toggling the switch. With this setting enabled, you now have extra security management for your account. Enabling trusted contacts in Viber ensures your private conversations are safer and gives you better control over your account security. Make sure to activate this feature to stay protected. Thanks for watching.